Welcome to Research Rocks. If you have Tesla car, this video is very important for you. I'm purchasing one of the amazing accessories, and that accessory's name is a wheel cover for my Tesla car, 18-inch wheel cover Model 3. I personally purchased this accessories from Tesstudio.com. I already added this link in video description. The wheel cover 18-inch for Tesla Model 3. The wheel cover price is 2,311 Danish krona. For the installation perspective, it's very easy to. Apart from this accessories, Tesstudio are selling much more other accessories as well. Which product accessories you want purchase, you can visit on Tesstudio platform and purchase which accessories you like. Now we'll do unboxing of this accessories. Now I just simply open here the box. For the wheel cover, small cap T for Tesla, we can fix one by one. So this is the wheel cover. Let's see how exactly look like. It's really nice and amazing. I received the 4 of them, so we can just simply remove this one and fix here like this. During the purchase time, you can order this one as a white, red, different colors also available. Second one, we can fix this one as well here. Apart from that, we receive this sticker as well. We need to fix this sticker from this border of each and every wheel. So I just simply measure like this, so I can fix very easily. This measurement is done. I just simply cut and then open here from this size. I fix. Make sure careful to from this border, not upper, just bottom size of this border. You need to require little patience to fix this grip. So first is completed of mine. I just put it inside the box. Second one, company providing this tape is too much extra. Three is completed. Now last one is remaining. Now we can go outside and fix this wheel cover to my Tesla car. Let's go outside. This is the old version. I just simply open this one and fix new one. Let's see how to open. It's very easy. It's very easy to open. Use hand gloves. So now we will fix the new one. Very easy to match this location first of all here. Afterward, everything is perfect. So look at this. This is an amazing look after fixing this one. Afterward, I am doing the same process of rest of 3 wheels as well. So look at this. Which one you like? This is the old one and this is the new one. New one look like very rich. One of the important parts come here. This will cover entire structure of your rim, so that one is more protected. This is the advantage of such an amazing wheel cover of your rim. Hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.